Whether you're in an office, a warehouse, or working from home, distractions are inevitable. So, what can you do to avoid them? Well, there certainly are methods that can boost your focus. Learn what they are with our course on Defying Distractions at Work. This course will help you reduce temptations that can entice you away from your work, establish rules to ensure emails and social media are not taking over your time during work hours, and take advantage of apps, browser extensions, and computer programs that can block certain websites, incentivize you to focus, and enhance your productivity with beneficial time management techniques. Strengthen your mind and upgrade your ability to concentrate on your tasks with Defying Distractions at Work.